Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of iHerb and you will click in this page. In this list here you will find app info. You will go to first stop, then we click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here in this page of storage you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.